Why are you crying?
Because I'm upset. Haven't you ever cried? Are you about that too?
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания